Action.
Yeah, come December or come winter, the migratory birds from Siberia, pelicans, or wherever from long from their long flights, like NRIs, non-resident Indians, they come all the way from distant shores in winter. They procreate here. The birds have an amazing phenomena, especially in the lakes of Chilka, the Pulicat Lake, and the Kolleru Lake. Whichever lakes have been encroached, that's a different story. But they procreate. I mean, yeah, they have a great time. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. They have a great time in this tropical climate, and especially the landmass, the inaccessible landmass. The moment birds get into a crowd, the birds never stay in crowded places due to their life threat and security threat. They seek isolated insular islands where they can safely procreate and breed their eggs and take them back to where they have come from, all the way from Siberia or wherever on the planet of Earth. They travel worldwide and especially they find a genuine second home in India despite being migratory birds. Whereas Indian origin brains are finding the distant shores as their new homes, which is a welcome sign. That's the way inclusivity works across the globe, and diversity and inclusive have to be working hand and glove across the globe. And wherever these birds go, they add value to the land. Similarly, wherever the Indian intellectuals go, they add value to that soil where they land end up. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's one aspect of it. The intellectual property they bring along with their the know-how, the skills they along with their upbringing back home. That is the key aspect, and they contribute to the society wherever they land, and add value and create value to that society and also to the rest of the world. So the migratory birds and the immigrants are here to stay, just like hybrid work from home and living are here to stay forever after the post-COVID scenario. Over and out. Thank you. Bye.